going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy Ty, man, back with another update. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all over 10 accounts that actually passed just this previous week using the bot. Now, like I said, man, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and then, stay up to date with what's going on, man. I'm gonna show y'all from the demo accounts all the way to the live account, all the way to the withdrawals. So in this video right here, this is one of the accounts. As y'all can see, it was a first class forex funds, and this was a phase one account, and it's only up $300, right? So let me go ahead and go to one of the other ones. Let me start my list over. So this right here is a first class forex funds going off of the first class forex broker. This was a 100K account. As you can see, it made 59,000, y'all, man. I'm telling y'all, I cannot make this up. I'm gonna just click on week. Either way it goes, same thing. So y'all can see $100,000 account, $59,000 in profit. It only needed to make $8,000 to pass, y'all. And you see, man, it quadrupled that. You know what I'm saying? But if you scroll all the way up, let's just see whenever it started. It actually started on the 28th of last week. So as you can see right there, the 28th was the day it started. The 29th was the day that the bot came on, and it completely crushed it, y'all. It completely crushed it. See, that's only we left it on for 2 days, man, and it completely crushed it, man. Completely crushed it, man. Gave this account $59,000 in profit, almost $59,700 in profit. Man, completely killed it, man. As y'all can see, man, can't make this up. Here's another one. Let's see. Okay, that's the one that I just not showed y'all. All right, I'm almost positive that this was a $50,000 account. As y'all can see, it says 63. Go to the history, go to the week. Yeah, $13,000 in profit, y'all. Y'all see it, 14,000. Let me click on the month so we can see what day it actually started. But it was a $50,000 account, almost $14,000 in profit, y'all. Can't make this up. Got this, he actually purchased this account on the 22nd. So he actually purchased that account on the 22nd, and we didn't get started on it until the 29th, as y'all can see the date right there. And completely crushed it. So on a $50,000 account, the target was only $4,000. So it almost quadrupled it. It was only $2,000 away from quadrupling, like blew it straight out the water, man. I'm telling y'all, man. And almost everybody is having success with this right here. And I'm pretty positive that this right here was a $200,000 account. I'm gonna click on month because it's been longer than a week. $200,000 account, almost $52,000 in profit, y'all. Scroll all the way up. He got this account on the 22nd as well. We started it on the 28th, which I believe was Monday, and completely just blew this thing out of the water, man. Completed it on the 1st. Can't make this up, man. Let's look at some other accounts. I'm pretty sure that this was a 25K account, has 37,000. Let's go to the month. 25K account, man, made $12,000 in profit. Like I said, it only needed $4,000 to pass. Tripled it. As you can see, this one was purchased on the 28th. We took the bot on it on the 29th and blew it completely out of the water again. Closing out $12,563 in profit. Man, y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Y'all keep up with this. $122,000. I'm pretty sure that this was a 100K account. 100K account, $22,000 made in profit. Scroll all the way up. And we actually got this one on the first, y'all. Well, we only 4 days into the month. For real. So we got this one on the first. The bot started on the first and blew it out of the water. See, these little trades right here, you can tell, man, he just working towards his 5 trading days because the bot is going to beat it within 24 to 48 hours, but you have to trade a minimum of 5 days. And then after that, then that's whenever you move on to your, let me see what, okay, this is stage 2. This was his stage 2, y'all. So actually, he already going live, man. He already going live. All right, 113,000. You only needed 8,000. Only $8,000 was the profit target. Made $13,715. Started on this one on the first and blew it completely out of the water. Phase 1 account, $8,000 was the profit target. I'm telling y'all, man, we can't make this up, man. We helping everybody become funded. Man, you should sign up. $213,000. So if this was a 200K account, the profit target was 16K. So let's see. All right, so we're not complete. The bot isn't done with this one just yet because we got this one on the second. Yeah, so we got this one on the second. We pretty much got this one on Friday. So yeah, the bot didn't even have, 2 days, but the profit target 16,000. If we made 13,000 in 1 day, I mean, do the math, man. Do the math. All right, this one's $50,000 account, and it's 52,919 in profit. Profit target was 4,000. So, and it's already up 3,000. This is probably a similar situation. We got it and only had it for 1 day. Yep, we actually started on the second. Y'all can see the date right there. We actually started on the second, which was Friday. So we haven't even, had enough time yet. But $50,000 account, we already $3,000 in profit on a stage 1 account. All right. Same situation with this one. It's about $3,000 in profit. We go to the month. So this one is the complete, and we started this one on the second as well, man. Cannot make this up, man. So what I need everybody to do, like I said, like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in. I'm going to keep y'all updated, man. As y'all can see, some accounts are already moving into the live. So we're going to have some proof of that as well. I'm also going to drop my Telegram channel on my Instagram in the description below. And y'all be sure, man, to stay tuned in. And just reach out. If you want details on how to get signed up, it's going to be on my Telegram, or you can or you can look me up on any other social media platform. Just I am Ty Norris. All right, man. See y'all at the top, man. Can't make this up. Can't wait to help you either. Let's go.